Trading stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions, Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by historical tests of strategies, is no guarantee of future performance or success. There is a possibility that you may sustain a loss equal to or greater than your entire investment, regardless of which asset class you trade, equities, options, futures, or Forex. Therefore, you should not invest or risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Trade Guide Limited is an authorized representative of Forex Max Limited and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority number 229906. G'day folks, this is Younes from Supercharge Wyckoff VSA.com. I'm the author of Supercharge Your Trading and Investment Account using Wyckoff Volume Spread Analysis. Now, in this Forex Daily Analysis, I'm looking at the British Pound versus the US Dollar. And I've got here the 4-hour chart of this currency pair. And on the 4-hour chart, we see a buying climax which has appeared on ultra high volume. So a sign of weakness, potential buying climax. Now, as we always say, selling occurs on an up bar, and we can see there was a widespread up bar. It closed off the highs, and the next bar was down. Okay, but that down bar was on much lower volume, as you can see here. All right, so very low volume. Now we saw price push up once again. Okay, and all the way through we're getting signs of weakness. We've got supply coming in and sign of weakness 28, no demand. So if we take a closer look at that no demand bar, it was on low. It was on low volume. Okay, but look at where it has occurred. If we zoom in the chart, it's occurred back at this previous high. Okay, so this 130 level is a serious resistance level. Okay, so every time price goes up to that level, they sell off. So what I've done, I've placed my trigger point here. Looks like they were trying to buy here. Okay, so a bit of strength as they tested back into that buying climax. You know, a bit of strength came through. They pushed the price up, and yet again we get no demand. Okay, so that 130 level is quite a critical level. So if I was looking at trading this, right, if I get a sign of strength here, I'll be worried that once price reaches these levels here, just above 130, then it'll come back down. So the way that I would play this, once it breaks above that resistance level, once it breaks above that level, then I'll be looking for signs of strength to go long. Okay, but in this case, we are starting to see on the British pound, it's starting to turn down. So if we look at the Smart Center Pro, right, we've got a sequential trade setup on the British pound US. On the 4-hour, we've got a buying climax followed by no demand, and once again followed by no demand. So there's the weakness starting to come in. Okay, and we can see with the smaller time frames, it has started to turn over. So if we clearly break down beneath this trigger here at 129.66, all right, then I'll be looking for shorting opportunities, scalping opportunities back down towards the lower trigger level, which is at 128.28. Okay, so things are starting to turn over for the British pound US. Okay, so I'm looking for a break beneath this level and giving us some signs of weakness. Okay, and then we'll get trend alignment on these smaller time frames. Okay, so with the 1-hour chart, all right, it's starting to turn over. Okay, we've had certainly a upthrust has appeared after supply. So there was a bit of if I just zoom in here, there was a bit of supply entering the market here. Okay, and we got a upthrust right after that. Okay, so certainly that is weakness. Okay, so yeah, so shorting opportunities beneath 129.66. All right, if we get those signs of weakness, trap up moves, no demand, those sort of VSA principles, if they appear, we'll look to take short trades because really there's no clear support level really. Um, until here, well, here we've got minus support here at 129.18, but the other support level is back down towards the 128 20 level. That's where the other support level is. Okay, let's zoom in and have a look, and that's we've got quite a bit of room to play with. Okay, so that is a bit of room for it to drop. It's just over 100 pips. So yeah, so looking for shorting opportunities beneath the 129.66 level. If we start to see strength, then that 130 level is major resistance, and would look to break above that and give us signs of strength for us to take long trades. Okay, so any questions at all, please shoot me through an email to info@superchargewyckoffvsa.com. Have a great day, folks, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.